Planning a road trip, don't let unexpected tool fees or ferry schedules ruins your budget. Let me show you how to enable and disable the tools and ferries. Let's begin. Alright, so in order to do this, you need to tap the car icon right here. From the following list, let's scroll down and choose navigation. Scroll down again, and as you can see, here you can avoid tools, avoid ferries, or avoid highways. In my case, I've got disabled ferries and highways, but I've got enabled tools. Let me, for example, show you how it works. As you can see, here I've got my route to Katowice. As you can see, this is like the kilometers and the time. And now, if I, for example, disable the tools, let me show you again. Here, let's disable the tools. And as you can see, like my car is calculating a new trip, and I've got the new time arrival, and I'm here going with the tools. As you can see, this is like A4 with the tools. So that's it. You can, as you can see, you can easily manage these settings here. You can avoid tools, ferries and highways. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.